Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
What is going on?
I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that one.
You sure? Are you sure?
I moved the cart and she
Are you
I
sure?
didn't mean to do that one.
How do you move a car when she's standing up?
I thought she was sitting down.
No, you did not think she was sitting down. No, you did not think she was sitting down. You've been yelling at this little girl the whole time.
Police arrested.
You need to be reported. Because I have 4 children and I will never move my cart like that with my daughter standing up. No, you were not. You've been yelling and you know she cannot reach that. You need to call an associate to get that.
And I just told her after. I just told her to sit down. Shut up, because I just told her to sit down.
Didn't tell her to sit
Yes, I
down.
did. Ask her.
No, you didn't.
Ask her.
We got it on video.
You hear me on the video? Ask her.
Quickly over here, please.
Ask. I said sit down. We're leaving.
And how you going? You need to wait till she sits down.
I turned my back to get his hand, and I thought she was sitting down.
She's got a problem.
Oh, I was trying to leave.
Yes, she hit her head on that floor. Out the back of the car. And hit her head on that floor.
And when she
What type of mother are you?
and
You don't hurt that little girl.